Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren and this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're serving up a sweet and tangy salad.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making a strawberry blue cheese steak salad.
So you can probably hear our steak already going here in our pan. So the steak is really the star of our show today with this delicious salad recipe. So we have just a beef sirloin steak going in our pan here. It's been going for right around 5 minutes at medium-high heat. So it's about ready to flip. All we've done is just seasoned it with salt and pepper. So not a ton of seasoning on it, but I can go ahead and give this a flip. That looks awesome.
Beautiful. It has a gorgeous sear on it. So the key to that is really getting it into that hot pan.
Yes. I love that it cooks super quickly. And of course, you could put this on the grill. It would be delicious. You could use our burgundy pepper spoon steak. Would be really delicious as well.
Yeah. All right, so while we're waiting for that to finish searing on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and make our vinaigrette. It's really, really simple. It's simply olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and then just a little bit of pepper and salt. So 4 ingredients that you probably already have on hand.
This is really my go-to for salad dressing, especially if I don't have anything at home. Something that I can always just make.
Yeah, it's really versatile. You can put it on pretty much anything. But if you aren't a fan of a vinaigrette dressing, then use your favorite dressing on the salad.
Yes, and I always like to make a little extra too for dipping crusty bread in, especially with the salad. So maybe make a little extra. So we just need to wait for the steak to finish cooking, and then we can slice it up and get assembling our salad. All right, how beautiful does the steak look?
Looks so good.
So we cooked it right around 5 minutes per side, and then we also let it rest for about 5 minutes. And the reason we do that is because we want, number one, it to continue cooking because the temperature still goes up, but also all those juices.
Yes, we don't want them to leach out when we cut it. We want it kind of to absorb back into that steak. So
yes,
don't skip the resting.
Definitely not. So now it's time for us to slice our steak. So we're just going to slice it into nice thin strips.
Yum.
This will go right on top of our salad.
All right, so speaking of the salad, on our platter here, we just have some romaine lettuce that's been chopped up. You don't have to use romaine, but it's kind of a heartier lettuce, so it stands up to like the heavy steak and then all of the toppings we're going to put on. But you could certainly use whatever greens you prefer, whether that's spinach or mixed greens. Do whatever you like. There's so many great options out there. So on top of the lettuce, I'm going to add our halved strawberries. I love fresh fruit in salads. And then some thinly sliced red onion.
All right, and our steak will go on next. And the last step with our steak is we're actually going to sprinkle a little bit of, this is just fresh lime juice.
Just adds a little extra punch of really great flavor into the steak.
Yes, really, really simple, very delicious.
Yum.
Great. Add these strips to our steak. Let's spread them on here. How good does that look?
Yum, yum, yum. I love the addition of like a lighter base with really hearty steak on top.
Yes, and if you're not a big steak fan, chicken would be great, salmon, any sort of fish.
Or you can go completely vegetarian and just add some beans.
Yeah, make it more of a side dish. Right.
Awesome. So to finish it off, I'm going to add some toasted nuts.
And the way we toasted these, today we're using walnuts. We just put them in a dry pan, put it on medium heat for just a couple minutes until they're nice and fragrant. They will cook pretty quickly, but it just makes them nice and toasty and crunchy.
Yeah, brings out a lot of those really great warm flavors. And then some blue cheese.
And if you're not a fan of blue cheese, we both love blue cheese, feta cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan cheese. What's great about the salad is you can really customize the berry, you can customize the nuts, you can customize the cheese, the protein.
Whatever you want.
Yep, we're just giving you some ideas.
And to finish it off, I'm just going to give this another whisk because it kind of separated. And then drizzle the dressing on top.
So simple.
All right, should we give this a try?
Yes. I love that this is a really nice lightened up way to serve steak. I think a lot of times we think, steak and potatoes, but having it on a nice bed of greens with all these really great ingredients and that awesome dressing would be really delicious.
There you go.
Thank you.
This just screams like warm weather to me.
Yes, completely. So refreshing. Great. Let's try.
Super flavorful.
Yes.
So good.
Everything goes together really, really well. Serve up steak a new way in this refreshing salad.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.